Well, hi guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be looking at the Hitway Bk11 folding electric bike. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Okay, let's take a look around this Hitway Bk11. Just run through the specifications first of all, then we'll take it for a little test ride down to Poole Harbour here in the south of England, and then we'll finish off with the final thoughts at the end. So just look this morning, these are currently £650 on the website. I will put a link in the description for you. Comes with a 250 watt rear hub drive motor with 32 newton meters of torque. Gives very good performance, very good hill climbing ability as well, very smooth and silent running, so that's brilliant. I like a lot of these folding e-bikes. The battery is removable with the key on the other side. I'll show you that removing in a minute. It's a 36 volt 12 amp hour battery. The range in the real world, if you're using a lot of the power, is going to be between about 30 and 40 miles, I would say. You're going to get more if you use it just in Paris as level 1, but generally in the real world around about 35-40 miles, I would say. So this has a convenient folding design. I'll show you this in a minute, where you just sort of pull up this little locking lever there, pull the main lever, the bike folds there, then the bars fold down, which is nice, so you can conveniently put this in the back of your car, in your motorhome, caravan, whatever. The bars do also adjust up and down here with the clamp. This bike is suitable for people between 165 and 195 centimetres. That's 5'5" to about 6'5". It's very adjustable on the seat there. Just take a quick look at me on the bike, and as a reference, I'm 5'7", 170 centimetres with a 30-inch inside leg. These are IP54 waterproof. Comes with simple basic front suspension, which does the job, coupled with these 20 by 3 inch sort of semi-fat tyres. Give a really nice ride. You've got a very comfortable saddle with suspension as well, so the actual ride quality of this is excellent. There's no bumps or sort of squeaks or rattles with it. Very good indeed. So I guess this is kind of like a city e-bike, but it's also capable of sort of light tracks and trails as well with those tyres, so we'll try that later on some tracks and trails. Weighing in at 25 kilograms, so not too bad. As with all these e-bikes, they come with the Shimano 7-speed indexed gears, which work very easily and nicely indexed straight out of the box. You get an LCD display, which you just hold there for a few seconds to switch it on. That shows you your speed, assist level 1, 2 or 3, odometer, trip, volts, all that sort of stuff. Hold the plus button and that puts on the lights. Front and rear lights as standard, which is a nice touch. Also comes with brake lights as well. You have a walk assist function, which helps you walk up hills. Hold down the minus button for that. So at this price point, you're getting mechanical disc brakes on this, which work absolutely fine for this sort of performance of bike. So to remove the battery, if you want to charge it off the bike, simply push the key and turn to the left. There's a little clip under the seat there that raises the seat up, and then you can just simply pull the handle here and the battery comes out. Push it back in, lock it in, seat down and turn the key. Job done, simple as that. I found it came very well boxed indeed, super easy to put together. Everything was basically done for you, just sort of had to bolt the rear mudguard on, put the seat in, put the bars on, and that's it. It took about half an hour. Also comes with a charger, pump, lock and some tools. This one didn't come with a throttle in the box, but it does, if you wanted to fit a throttle, it does have the little plug there to plug a throttle in, so you can just get a generic you know, throttle off wherever online. So it comes in this very nice sort of green and the orange. But yeah, looking around the bike, first impressions, all the wheels look pretty tidy. You can fit a basket on the front there by the look of it. I said it's initial impressions, very comfortable to ride. It's got good zippy performance, smooth and quiet, good performance up hills. So anyway, let's go for the test ride then, guys. Right, we're just down at Poole Harbour on my favourite cycleway. I'm going to take the Hitway down here for a mile or so. So we're just going to turn it on there, climb aboard, very, very light as you get on board, very responsive, light little steering, little wheels, that's great. Hold the button there for a few seconds to switch on, so it defaults to 0 assist. We'll just try it in level assist 1, the lowest. We're in gear 5 and away we go. So within about one turn of the pedal, the power comes in. I can't even hear the motor out the back, that's excellent. Just very comfortably going along about 9-10 miles an hour. Into assist level 2, about 12-13 miles an hour. Again, all very smooth, the tyres are quiet, the brakes have got a good bit of bite. So assist level 2 would be ideal for everyday use. You're going to probably get a good 40-mile range out of assist level 2. Into assist level 3 in top gear now, and this thing really whizzes along. It's quick. This thing is quite quick indeed. Even with a 250 watt motor, it's got very good performance. So the bike feels very smooth indeed. So back down to assist level 2, that's nice and gentle. 6th gear, the bike feels really smooth to ride. It feels very compact, it's not a big bike. You can obviously adjust all this for if you were tall, but the actual bike itself feels physically, doesn't feel big at all. Oh, the drivetrain is very smooth indeed. Can't even hear the motor out the back there. Little display there showing me all my information is very clear and easy to read. Let's just see how the Hitway handles light tracks and trails. So this is quite bumpy down here, quite loose gravel. So first off, the seat's very comfortable, being big, wide with the suspension over the very bumpy bridge. That's all good. So very quick steering because it's got small wheels. This is fine. You know, it's no full-on off-roader, but if you wanted to do light tracks and trails, this is zipping along here very nicely indeed. Feels comfortable, very upright position, nice little bars. Motor's virtually silent out the back there. These 3-inch tyres do a good job. Still quite nimble as opposed to the 4-inch tyres, providing quite a nice little bit of suspension, so all good on the tracks and trails. Right, we're just going to try the Hitway up this bit of a hill. It's about 20%, a 1 in 5, quite steep. We're just in assist level 2 at the moment, gear 5, and even in assist level 2 it's whizzing up here. I'm virtually putting no effort at all through the pedals. Brilliant. Assist level 3, wow. Top gear now, 7th gear, assist level 3, 15 miles an hour up a steep hill with virtually no effort from me at all. So big thumbs up for the Hitway for hill climbing. We're just gently cruising along now. Very nice indeed. We're in assist level 2, top gear, 7th gear, very easy pedalling. To be honest, for the most part, assist level 2 is all you need. Assist 3 is quite powerful and it really climbs hills well. I do like the fact that this is a folding bike at a very good price with decent performance. All the gears work lovely as they always do, these Shimano index gears. It's a fun little bike to ride. It's very nippy, smooth running. There's no rattles, shakes or bangs or anything like that. So far very good indeed. Anyway, let's just wrap it up down here and have a final look round, shall we? Right, so just a final little look round the Hitway Bk11, a very good value e-bike which is folding, very decent performance. As you can see in the video, it climbed that hill with amazing ease with very good performance, so that's impressive. Zips along very well even in assist level 2. Basic suspension up the front, obviously no rear suspension, but still does a very good job of smoothing out all the bumps. Down the light tracks and trails it performed very well indeed. Obviously folding design, handlebars fold, adjustable, folds there, suspension seat, removable battery which has got a pretty decent range on it. I like the fact that a lot of these bikes, they come with these rear racks, so you could put like a soft bag on the top or panniers. Comes with the supplied lights as well, so that's great. So these bars can be removed as well on the clamp there. Nice little LCD display giving you all your information there. I like the fact it comes with a little incorporated bell there which is sort of built in. Very nice. Decent mechanical brakes, no problems there. But on the whole, a very good, cost-friendly e-bike for a good price. Guys, if you wouldn't mind please posting your comments down below. Don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you again in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. Ride safe guys, all the best, and bye for now.